Raheem measures the temperature of water as it is heated in a science experiment. He makes the graph below to show the relationship between the time x in minutes and the increase in temperature y in degrees Fahrenheit. So let's take a look at his graph. As time goes up, the temperature goes up too. So as time increases, temperature also increases, and you can see it goes up in a perfectly straight line going up and to the right. Which point on the graph represents the change in temperature in degrees Fahrenheit per minute? So we have degrees Fahrenheit per minute. So first things first, Fahrenheit degrees is Y. So Y per minute, where minute is X. So I need to find out Y per 1 minute because that's exactly what it's asking for here. So where do we get 1 minute? Right there at that point, Q. So Q is going to get us Fahrenheit degrees per minute. That's our answer.